Prospecting isn't just swinging a pickaxe, it's reading the land's hidden story. The Hercules Plate in Arizona is more than desert, it's a geological puzzle hiding gold. Real prospectors are detectives, not gamblers. They know gold follows a recipe, forged deep in the earth. Here, ancient forces fractured the land, and superheated fluids pushed gold into cracks. Our job? Find those gold-filled nooks. First, we look at the big, picture-massive rock formations and fault lines, nature's highways for gold. Then we zoom in, small veins, subtle color changes, and textures that signal you're close. This isn't about luck or movie fantasies, it's a thinking person's game. You need patience, know-how, and a willingness to get dirty. The landscape is a system, full of clues left by time. The Hercules Plate is a masterclass in geological storytelling. If you pay attention, the ground will tell you where to look. So grab your boots and hat. We're about to learn how to listen to the earth. Forget shortcuts. Prospecting is about observation and persistence. Every rock and crack is a clue. Let's start decoding the story beneath our feet. To find gold here, you need to know how it arrived. Arizona's gold story began millions of years ago, with tectonic plates colliding and creating heat and pressure. Magma rose, cooking the rocks and setting the stage for gold. The Hercules Plate's foundation is Alaskite, intruded by darker quartz monzodiorite, then sliced by mafic and silicic dikes. These rocks are chapters in the gold story. Where different rocks meet, natural fractures form, perfect pathways for mineral-rich fluids. When hot water surged up, it followed these weak zones. The rocks didn't contain gold, but they built the plumbing for it. Finally, quartz veins formed as superheated water cooled, dropping gold alongside silica. These veins are the treasure chests. Understanding the rocks and their relationships is key to finding gold. The big picture always leads you to the prize. Gold follows the path of least resistance, faults and fractures. In the Hercules Plate, major faults are the main highways for gold-bearing fluids. Foliation, layered rock textures, create secondary routes. Contact zones between different rocks are prime gold traps. The best spots? Where faults, contacts, and foliated zones intersect. It's about finding the network, not just a single crack. The more complex the intersection, the better your odds. Now, boots on the ground, let's hunt for microclues. Magma intrusions fractured the rock, creating tiny pathways for mineral-rich fluids. As these fluids cooled, minerals like quartz and pyrite formed in the cracks. Look for alteration. Bleached or rusty-stained rocks signal hot fluids passed through. These color halos point to hidden veins. Not all quartz veins are equal. Look for brecciated or vuggy textures, signs of dynamic mineralization. Gold concentrates in these messy, complex spots at bends, intersections, or where veins pinch and swell. These are the sweet spots every prospector dreams of. So how do you turn geology into gold? Start with a geologic map. Trace faults, contact zones, and intersections. Narrow down the landscape to high-probability targets. In the field, look for iron-stained rocks and promising quartz outcrops. Switch between macro and micro thinking, use the map, then hunt for real-world clues. Float rocks, loose, stained quartz, can lead you uphill to the source. Prospecting is a conversation between map and ground. Every clue, every mistake teaches you more. The Hercules Plate story is written in its rocks. Learn the language, and you'll find the gold. Get out there, stay curious, and let the land guide you.